Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. I'm Arjun J. Huerta, and I will discuss this evening about the environmental effect of traffic development. First, the noise and yung kasama sa mga highway bitaw, then vibration sa mga sakyanan, o air pollution, labi ng sa mga sakyanan ng mga aso. Pag mulugwa siya, amin mausahay, mapolluted yung highway or city. Then dirt, yung kalipa. Then visual intrusion, loss of privacy. Yung usahay, wala yung privacy kay direct-direct ka ng mga sakyanan. Then changes in amount of light, yung mga suga ng mga kuala, ilahi, say kusog or hinay. O next is environmental effect of traffic development. Ano siya? Amin siya yung neighborhood similarities of relocation. Ang neighborhood similarities is yung silingan mo sa yung pagyaw ko sa traffic, makakaiba mo sa highway na motorista or sakyanan. Then sunod is yung relocation. Then distraction during planning and construction. Mga distraction during yung may mga highway or regular project. Then accident experience. Sunod is pedestrian journey. All about yung magkuhan ka yung mga pedestrian ka ng mga agihan ng mga tao gusto mong sila. Amen sa encounter nila. Sunod is congestion and other benefit of the vehicle. Congestion, amen siya yung magkuhan ka yung pag flow ng traffic ba o other benefit of the vehicle. Next topic is law concerning traffic ecology. PG 1181 providing for prevention, control, abatement of air pollution from motor vehicle. Kuhanin siya, amend siya for providing katugen and control air pollution sa mga highway and city. Next, ang sunod is yung